Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 25 of our 31-day writing prompt series. If you're enjoying this series, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there is a link in the comments section if you would like to receive a prompt in your inbox each morning. For today's open prompt, write a scene in which the body recognizes a truth before the mind is willing to name it. Let physical response, tension, heat, nausea, fatigue, breath, carry the meaning of the moment. Delay explanation and interpretation. Instead, allow sensation to speak first and let understanding arrive only indirectly, if at all. And now for the directive prompt. Begin a scene with an unexpected physical sensation. Anchor the experience in the body as it happens. As the sensation unfolds, filter the setting through it. What the character notices, misreads, or fixates on in the environment because of what their body is doing. Avoid interior explanation. End the scene at the precise moment the sensation alters, eases, intensifies, or transforms, signaling that something internal has shifted, even if the character cannot yet articulate what it is. When you finish writing, let me know in the comments section, what did this prompt bring up for you? Did you feel the urge to name the sensation or explain what it meant? Was that instinct difficult for you to resist? And did leaving your character's feelings unnamed, showing their physical manifestations instead, feel constraining, freeing, or maybe something in between? Let me know. I'd love to hear. Happy writing, everyone.